Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Madam Glam. They asked if I would like to pick out 4 colors. So yes, it's always so hard to pick out colors. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets always 50% off. And they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free, formula and HEMA-free. And that's all their socials there. Yeah, like I said, so hard to choose colors, but I kind of wanted to go for some sparkly colors and then like a nudish kind of color. So yeah, we're just gonna get them all out and take a look. Wanted to try to get some wintry colors, but this first one is Pillow Talk. And oh my gosh, it's just, it's a nude, but it's more of like a mauve. And oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. And then this is a Holographic Cat Eye. I've never tried their cat eyes, so this is my first cat eye. And it's just a basic, your silver with the rainbow shift. But it's just, look at that, just gorgeous. So yeah, I'm excited. And this is a peacock. And this is called Under Pressure, and I actually saw this on Boo Creamy's channel. She put it over a color and it just looked absolutely gorgeous. But look at this. It's, I don't know, it's like an iridescent flaky, but it changes the color of, you know, whatever color you put it on. And this is Frosty. And I thought this is going to be perfect for winter sets. This is a holographic. It's not a cat eye. It's just a holographic, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And oh yes, I'm so excited to swatch these. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready and then we're going to swatch. So first we're going to start with Pillow Talk. And I did already apply my base coat. I like to put base coat on my swatch sticks because I have had some polishes peel off. Not Madam Glam, but like before I started putting base coat on. So yeah, I like to have all my swatch sticks on rings and have them around so I can look at them and have other people look at them if I'm doing their nails. But yeah, that was Pillow Talk, absolutely gorgeous. And this is Frosty, and I will go ahead and put it over a black swatch stick you'll see here, but in a little bit. And then Under Pressure. This has like a yellowy kind of tint and then with like a purple blue shift. Oh, it's so pretty. And so the cat eye I am doing over a black swatch stick. And gosh, it's so pretty. It's just got that rainbow shift, and oh my gosh. And so I'm just going to take the magnet here and just kind of activate the little magnets there. But oh my gosh, this is, it just came out gorgeous. I mean, right away the magnets were moving. I didn't have to struggle. I mean, look at that. Just, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Oh, I was just having so much fun. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, I love it. And then Under Pressure, we're going to go ahead and do on a black swatch stick, and you'll see how it turns out this dark blue. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Like I said, it's a peacock. It's under the peacock category, and oh my gosh, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And then Frosty, I wanted to see what it looked like over a black. Also. And yeah, it looked really, really pretty. I mean, either way, on the clear or the black. Oh, look at that. Just that rainbow. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, I was just trying to see if there was some little magnets, but no, there wasn't. So yes, this is all the colors here. This is 2 coats and a shiny top coat. This is their shiny no wipe top coat. Look at that color. I just fell in love with this color. I mean, they're just amazing. Look at this. This is Frosty. Absolutely perfect for winter. I already have a set in mind that I'm going to do. And then this is that beautiful Under Pressure, that peacock. Very pretty. And then, of course, the cat eye is just gorgeous. I wanted to show it with the flash also, but yes, look at that. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. So yes, part 2 is going to be coming out next week, where I'm going to be doing a set. I just wanted to get this video out so you could go and make a purchase. I think these colors are perfect for winter, Christmas. I have a link down below that will take you right to the Madam Glam website, and I have a discount code. So yes, thank you so much, Madam Glam, again for these gorgeous colors. I just can't wait to show you guys the set I'm gonna do. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.